Hey everyone, this is Captain Jeff here.
And I'm his daughter Kelly.
We are very excited to update you on Argo's first of many releases for 2021. Many of you have asked, where are the depth numbers on your map? How can you have a navigational app and not see any depth numbers? Well, we're happy to announce we finally added numbers and contours to all of our map options. This now comes standard, but you can turn them on or off using the newly designed map options or filter screen.
You can find the map filter screen in the upper right hand corner by toggling on the button that I'm pressing right now. And to toggle the depth numbers on and off, you want to go to the depth option, and it will be the first toggle up at the top, show depth numbers and contours. It will by default, like Jeff said, be toggled on. If you want to turn it off, just switch it to gray. I'm going to leave it on.
You can also choose to see depth in either feet or meters. You can change your speed from either knots to miles per hour. And if your map is getting too cluttered, you can filter report pins such as hazards, local advice, weather, or map data such as marinas, yacht clubs, restaurants, etc. You can also turn your friends or other users on and off so you don't see them on the map. You can even hide the depth finder, the depth gauge, or the speed dials, the various gauges that you see on the main map screen.
You can see here I just turned all three of them off, and the three icons that are normally up at the top portion of the map are now gone.
So you have a lot of flexibility to customize your map the way that you want it with the newly enhanced map options feature. We've also added the NOAA ENC chart. Unlike the NOAA RNC chart or raster chart, the ENC is continually updated and supported by NOAA. So you always have the latest NOAA data at your fingertips. So check out these new features and stay tuned as we're working on a lot of features and improvements, all of which should be ready for the new upcoming boating season.
All right, that's all for today, guys. See you next time.